effects of force. A force can change the state of motion of a body or its shape, or both. On speed. When a force is applied to a body in the same direction, its speed increases, and when it is applied in the opposite direction, its speed decreases. On direction, rest and motion. Place a ruler in the path of the moving ball in the above example. Make sure it is placed at an angle with the moving ball. What do you find when the ball hits the ruler? Repeat this activity by placing the ruler at different angles to the path of the moving ball. Does it maintain its direction of motion after striking the ruler? Obviously, it will not. It will change its direction on hitting the ruler. This is because the ruler applies a force on it to change its direction.